many slimes. We've got a bunch of them.
Got this one.
And I've got this one. Let's test them. Ooh, it's kind of dried out.
This one's.
Ooh, but it's good.
This one's a 1.
It's like a.
It's watery.
It's like a cloud.
Oreo.
It's like cloud dough.
1.
This is a 6.
Next
one. I've got this squishmallow looking one. It's blue slime.
I have one Hadley made.
Yeah, we made slime. Ooh, this one's got a charm in it. It's got a charm. Oh wait, it's got like some pink in it.
7.
This one's a 10 out of 10. Look at this ASMR. Amazing. She's gonna swirl it.
Ready? There we go. This. Yes.
So
Next slime.
dang.
Next slime. I have the. I designed my own slime. I think this one.
I got this one. I designed my own slime, and it's like this cool looking one.
Oh, this one feels like the little.
It like won't even come out.
This one feels like a thinking putty.
It was like sticky, but like it's like a putty, but like stickier.
It's not slime. This is definitely putty.
Yeah, wait. Oh, it is. Mine's like a little. I like this one. It's good. Besides, you have to like know how to do slime to be able to do this one. Don't let any little kids.
There's
do
a
this
charm
one.
in it.
Yeah, there's a bunch of charms in it.
Squishmallow. Okay, this one's a
This one's got-
9.5.
Look at that.
What's
There's a
what
dog.
Do you, Hadley, what do you rate yours?
There's a dog.
What do you rate yours? Mine's a 9.
Mine's a 7.5. Okay, next
Next slime.
slime. I got this one that we made yesterday.
Got this pink squishmallow.
Oh my gosh, it's got some blue from the other one.
This
I
one's
can't get it out
so
from the baggie.
cute.
Ew.
Look at this slime.
I can't get it out. Oh, I
This
got it.
video's already 2 minutes long.
Okay, this slime is so good. Put it in my hand. Slime is so great. It does not stick to clothes.
Did you hear that crunch?
Does not stick to table. It's so good. I give this one an
Your
9.5.
fingers literally sink in.
I know, my fingers do too.
Okay, bye.